Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020, and another day of virtual school. All right, I'll go through this kind of quickly because some of you seem to get up so early and you can't wait to start. And then remember, today when we meet at 9:30, we are doing another scavenger hunt, and this time Matthew is our master, our director today. He will be the host of today's scavenger hunt because he won yesterday, and I have no idea what his 10 items will be. I told him go ahead and do it on his own. I trust him. So we look forward to that. All right, so quickly we will come to our Google slide. This is going to be a 2-day project. There's a quick 5-minute lesson about writing your own story. You're going to be starting to read the book Treasure Island. They don't start it today, but I think tomorrow it starts. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a prompt of, let me show you. You're going to have this prompt that helps you guide you into some writing, which you guys haven't done. So it says, imagine a character gets lost in a remote, isolated area like a jungle, a desert, a mountain. And then you can choose a specific setting for your story. So you're going to write about a 1 to 2 page story. You're going to type this, by the way, and how the character survives. And then you can use all these to help you. It says begin typing your story here, but I don't want you to do that. You're actually going to do it on a Google Doc and turn it into me like you used to do. I look forward to that. So we're going to spend 2 days on that. And so you're able to hand that in to me either like tomorrow afternoon or over the weekend, because on Monday we are going to talk about them. You don't have to read it obviously out loud to me, but I am going to look them over. So I need them all by sometime Sunday. If you finish today, you finish today and you can hand it in, but you do have a few days to work on that. So make it a good story. I know how well you guys can write, so I'm really, really looking forward to seeing what you can do. This is the first time you've had free reign to make this any kind of story you want about treasure. Well, you'll see. It'll explain to you. So please do a good job. All right. And then continue your iReady minutes. You just have today and tomorrow. Some of you have 0 minutes, so get going on that. Math, we're going into converting customary units of capacity. So you're going to watch this YouTube video. You're going to do the quick check. There's only 5 questions and it's fairly simple. Then you are going to watch a measurement YouTube video. And then I'm going to come back here in a minute and explain about what gallon man is. This is almost pretty much like a 2-day math lesson. Okay, come over here. You're going to watch the episode of Liberty Kids called Liberty of Death or Death, and then there'll be a Google quiz. Then on science, you're going to read, if you click on that link, it'll give you something to read called Reading Science, and then there's 5 questions on the bottom. So you can answer those questions on a piece of paper, text them to me, email them to me, however you want to do it. You guys have been doing a great job with that. Then you're going to watch a video on BrainPop, it's on BrainPop about electricity, and then you're going to take the quiz that's at the end. All right, so let's come over to here. All right, so there's the Thursday morning attendance video. For some reason, still 1 or 2 of you do not hand that in. Maybe you watch it and forget to submit, but it's part of your work. Here's the Liberty Kids. So you watch this video, it's like 20 minutes, take some notes, and then here's the test. It's like 5 questions, but the top is your name so that I know how to do it. So you know your name, or I know your name, I should say. This is a video on Gallon Man, which is going to help you figure out you may have done this in 4th grade, but this is a really good video. I'm going to skip that. Here's your writing assignment. So same thing. It says on a Google Doc, follow the directions attached, write a 1.5 to 2 page story, be creative. You'll have 2 days to work on it. Email me your Google Doc by Sunday. And of course, I can't wait to read your stories. All right, so this is going to be a fun little activity. So we're going to spend a couple days on this. So you can use this example or create, actually, no, this is due today, or create your own gallon man. And then we're going to share them tomorrow morning, Friday morning. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is how you can say, like, this is a gallon. Okay, here's how many quarts are in a gallon. Here's how many pints, cups. Okay, so then you can do this. If you're able to print it out and color it, that's great. Keep it as a reference. You can fill in your own by copying this. Or some of you who are so artistic and so creative can get a piece of paper, kind of copy that yourself and make your own gallon man. So this will be due today. We're going to look at them tomorrow. I'm actually really excited about this. Again, you can make your own, make it creative. It'll be on your own poster, or you can print this out. When I say poster, I mean small piece of paper. So that'll be really good. That'll be fun. All right, and then that's all for that. So I don't have a Kahoot up yet because I went to see who won the Kahoot from yesterday, but it's actually a 2-day Kahoot. For some reason, I gave the due date today, so it doesn't let me see who who won. So I will put another one up though tomorrow, like a fun one. I think that's it. Anything else we can talk about today? As always, you need to watch the YouTube video on math. You also need to make sure you're watching this video. I know some kids are not watching my morning message, and then you have questions that I actually answered. So that's it. I will see you all at 9:30. All right. Bye.